Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power. Open the case near your paired device and watch the battery indicator. If nothing appears, don't assume they're dead. Next, inspect the charging contacts inside the case and on each AirPod, dirt or lint blocks charging. Once done, connect a known good cable to a reliable charger and plug the case in. Make sure the indicator light responds. If the light never appears, try a different cable and wall adapter to isolate the cable or charger as the issue. With power confirmed, reset the system to clear software errors. Press and hold the case button for 15 to 30 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white, then repair to your device. If one AirPod still won't power, place only that bud in the case and observe the light to determine whether the earbud accepts charge. Next, check your device's Bluetooth settings for firmware update prompts. Updating can restore compatibility. Make sure to repair by selecting the AirPods in Bluetooth and following the on-screen prompts. If resetting and updates don't help, try alternate power paths. Place the case on a compatible wireless charger or try a different power outlet and cable to rule out intermittent power delivery. Visually inspect for battery swelling, corrosion, or loose charging pins. Do not attempt internal repairs if you see damage, because that risks further harm. If hardware appears intact but won't power, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for battery replacement or board-level diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.